Hello everyone and welcome back to our Adobe Illustrator course, and I'm your instructor Fana. In this lesson of ours, we are going to talk about Shaper tool and the tools which are included in our Shaper tool. Let's come to our screen. After Blob Brush tool and Paintbrush tool, we have Shaper tool. Shaper tool shortcut is Shift plus N. When you over on your Shaper tool, first it's gonna give its name plus shortcut, then it's give you the description, short description that gives you a hint that what your Shaper tool does. All the tools has their description that instructs you what this shape or what this tool of yours will do for you. Now when I over on my Shaper tool, there are two things which are being demonstrated to me as visual and as text. As text, draw freehand to create shapes automatically and merge or remove overlapping areas. I hope you guys are getting it. The demonstration as a visual, you guys can see it's roughly drawing some shapes and it gives you a perfect shape which matches with the geometric shapes you have. First creating triangle, then ellipse tool, then circle, then removing the overlapping edges. For example, the basic geometric tools are like triangle. I can draw triangle upside down as well, like this. Then we have square, rectangle, circle, ellipse tool, horizontally or vertically, however you want it. Now, if I draw a circle and then I draw another circle, now if I want to get rid of the areas of the second circle which is outside my first circle, I just cross it like this and it gets deleted. Now if I want to delete the second one as well, just cross it and it will be deleted. For example, let's go to our ellipse tool, draw perfect circles and another one here. Now if I select my Shaper tool and want to delete this part, just cross it. If I select both of them and then select your Shaper tool, cross this part, it will be deleted from that. Now if I, again I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo what changes I made, select my Shaper tool and delete this section of it, it gets deleted. Click on it, it will show you how your previous shape looked like and what you have deleted. Delete this one, the only eye shape or whatever shape you wanted to draw will be remained. If you select your Shaper tool and click on it, it will show you how it looked before. Now if you want to leave only single line of it, just delete this section of it. Only the left stroke or left path of the shape will be remained, everything else will be removed. And if you click on it and select your Shaper tool, click on this drop down button, it will show you how your shape looked before or how you created this shape, from which two circles you deleted the first section, second section and the third one, the last path. Now with Shaper tool, the thing or the ice cream cone which was created with our demonstration of our Shaper tool, just do it like this. Then it was ellipse tool, then it was circle, then they delete this section. I know it's not perfect because it's created by me freehandedly and the demonstration is just an animation of how it will work, which is created by computer, and we can create those things with our upcoming classes and our video animations and those things. But hold your breath, first learn these things, then we're gonna jump to our video editing course or motion graphic courses further on. After Shaper tool, we have pencil tool. Shortcut is N. Click on pencil tool. Your pencil tool and paintbrush tool works the same. Whatever you draw with pencil or whatever you draw with your paintbrush tool, both of them are equal, but some people use pencil or some people uses paintbrush tool. Pencil is a little bit sharper as well when you draw it, or it should be look like pencil because it's points around it, but the settings of paintbrush tool and pencil tool are the same. If you set the same setting to paintbrush tool or if you set the same setting to pencil tool, it will give you the same result. Either you use a paintbrush tool or pencil tool. After pencil tool, we have smooth tool. Now, what smooth tool is used for? Suppose I select the pencil tool and draw something. Now, if you observe this shape of yours, there are some points which are really sharp and there are some points which are smooth but maybe not smooth enough. Smooth tool, from its name that we can understand it smooths things, but what things? Only paths. It can smooth paths. If your paths, some places or some edges of paths are not smoothed, it got rough, you can still work with your smooth tool and make it smoother. First, whichever area of your shape or whichever shape you want to smoothen, first it should be selected. If it isn't selected, you try your smooth tool, it doesn't work. But if you select it, of course you have to select it first. Set your smooth tool and let's come to this area. Next section, suppose this part. Next one, this part. Let's increase the stroke size so we can understand it very well. Select your smooth tool. So this is how my smooth tool works, or not just my smooth tool, every smooth tool in your Illustrator and your computers work the same way. Then after smooth tool, we have path eraser tool. Path eraser tool, most of the tools we can understand from its name and really easy to use it. Path means this path, eraser means it's gonna erase it, tool, it is a tool you're using. And it's the shape of pencil upside down because we are using the eraser section of our pencil. If I want to erase this part, I can erase it. This section, still I can erase those sections. So this tool is used for erasing our path. And the next one is join tool. This section or this tool is used to join our tools or join our lines. If you select it back, this is the path you had, and with our eraser tool we erased it, and with our join tool we joined them back. So this was the class about shaper tool and the tools which were included in our shaper tool, pencil tool, smooth tool, path eraser tool, join tool. All of them were covered in this video and all of them were really easy to use. It didn't need to have, or it didn't need to be recorded in a very lengthy video. So I hope you guys understood. If you guys understood the video, share it with your friends and tell them to subscribe as well. Thank you.